Why does water have a high specific heat capacity? Imagine trying to heat up a swimming pool or cool down a hot cup of coffee. Water takes a lot longer to change temperature compared to other materials. That's because water has a high specific heat capacity. But what makes it so special? Well, it all comes down to the tiny bonds between water molecules called hydrogen bonds. These bonds are like little bridges holding water molecules together. When heat is added, a lot of energy goes into breaking these bonds apart rather than just making the molecules move faster. So instead of heating up quickly, water absorbs this energy to weaken the bonds. When water cools down, these bonds form again, releasing energy. This back and forth process means water can soak up or give off a lot of heat without changing temperature much. Specific heat capacity is how much heat energy you need to raise the temperature of 1 gram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. For water, that number is about 4.18 joules per gram per degree Celsius. That's much higher than most other common substances like sand or metals. This means water heats up slowly and cools down slowly, which is why lakes and oceans stay relatively stable in temperature. The reason water has this high specific heat capacity is because of its molecular structure. Water molecules are polar, meaning they have a positive and a negative end. Each molecule can form hydrogen bonds with up to 4 neighboring molecules, creating a large, stable network. These hydrogen bonds are what give water its unique properties. They requiring a lot of energy to break apart, which is why water can hold onto heat longer. This property has big effects on our planet and in living things. Oceans and lakes help keep Earth's climate steady by absorbing heat slowly and releasing it gradually. This prevents extreme temperature swings and supports life. Inside our bodies, which are mostly water, this high heat capacity helps us stay balanced despite changes in the environment. It also allows water to move heat around efficiently in biological systems, keeping animals and plants healthy. So, in simple terms, water's high specific heat capacity comes from the energy needed to break and reform hydrogen bonds between molecules. This makes water excellent at absorbing and releasing heat with only small temperature changes. It's a key reason why water plays such a vital role in weather, climate, and life itself.